My name's Rich, welcome back to Me, My Bike and I. I'm actually back with the XV535 again. In the last episode you saw me completely finish it off, get it running quite sweet actually, but subsequently it started running poorly again, so I just thought I'd drain the lower fuel tank, or drain all the fuel out because it's been in there over a year, and replace the fuel pump. And that's where the drama began, because, well, let me show you. So if you're familiar with the XV535, you'll know that on the lower fuel tank here, maybe your bike's only got the lower fuel tank and not the upper one, you've got the mounting point for the fuel pump, and that's where the bracket for the fuel pump sits, right there. So I went to undo the two bolts and you guessed it, they sheared off. So as I wanted to drain the fuel anyway, I just wrestled the tank out, gave it a good drain out, and then tried to get the broken parts of the bolts out of the mounting point there, but they wouldn't come even though I used carbide drills. So I just sliced it off there and there, and I made a new piece. So just a piece of flat bar, 3mm thick, drilled the holes in the right place, and I welded a couple of captive nuts on the back, which you can see just there. A little bit fiddly, but anyway. And then I just welded it onto the tank. That's all I was trying to do, just change the fuel pump and drain the fuel, but that turned into a big drama. So anyway, I'm just putting it all back together now, and hopefully we shall get her running sweet again, and then I can get her sold, get her a new owner, and then get on with the next project. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you on the next video, which hopefully won't be about the XV535.